नमस्ते। तो आज का ये एक टॉपिक नहीं है, ये एक बहुत ही अलार्मिंग न्यूज़ है फॉर ऑल माय व्यूअर्स जो पहले से साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं और अगर जो लोग नए जुड़ रहे हैं। ओके, आज का टॉपिक भी नहीं बोलूँगी बट आज की हेडिंग ये है और ये बहुत ही सीरियस बात है। हेडिंग यही है, जैसे सबने पढ़ भी ली होगी, फेक हीलर्स कॉपिंग आवर फॉर्मेट, बिवेयर। आई रिपीट, फेक हीलर्स copying our format, beware. This simply means that my team has informed me last month, okay, and I wanted to address this topic last month itself, but I just could not. I was extremely busy with work, with case studies, with the solutions, with the cures, etc. I have got a news that people on Google, they are copying our format, our language, the way we use the word case study, diagnosis. This has started. This was exclusive that we used to say this word and this format, this protocol was ours. Okay, but what has happened is now there are some female healers. Yes, there's a whole group of 2-3 female healers who have started using and copying what I say on YouTube also in their little changed language. Okay, but the matter remains the same. Yes, that's exactly the content copy. The copying of the content, which is actually a copyright issue as well, is happening. They are copying our formats. They're using words on YouTube channel, on their Facebook page to attract the audience. See, I'm not against correct, honest healers and astrologers. But then if you are following my channel and gaining some information out of it, there's a certain way to convey to the audience. You cannot simply use the same words, you simply just cannot, and if you are doing that, you need to give a reference that I went through so and so book, or I went through so and so information of Guru Didi and I am quoting that information in my video. That's the correct way to do it, or on my Facebook page. That's quite understandable. But if you're not doing that and you're pretending that this matter belongs to you, you're stating and claiming this matter belongs to you, the content, then you're misguiding people. Okay, I know the names of those healers and I know the names of those astrologers, but this video is not about disclosing their names, but this video is just about making my audience aware, my followers be aware that be very careful. When I said case study and diagnosis, if someone else has started using this, you can Google out and see that from last 5 years, no one else except me has been using this word diagnosis and case study. This protocol was made by me because I come from a corporate section. People who have read my book, Corporate Chick Turns into a Spiritual Healer, are quite aware of my biography. Autobiography. So, now there are a couple of people who are misusing my content, misusing my protocol, and making female astrologers, or I always say quick and fast food astrologers, or so-called healers who are actually not healers, and I'm quite aware of that, who they are. Okay, and if that person is listening to this video, you exactly know 2 and 3 people whom I'm referring to, but this is my decency and my faith that instead of disclosing your names, I would leave it up to your karma system, but I would make sure that all the viewers who are watching me, please be very alert that when we talk about case study, we talk about case study, we do it through a photograph. If this kind of a language is being used by someone else, except when I say this, okay, we are not responsible for this. I don't want you people to get confused that Guru Didi was saying this, and similar thing someone else is saying, and this becomes a trend, and then you are getting fooled because of this. The reason I came out with all this format, the educated sort of a format, was for all the educated class which comes to me. Okay, but now if this is also being used for their business purposes, then this is really alarming. Okay, and the few things I've written here. Yes, my team also informed me that now people are talking like you, Guru Didi, saying this. I'm reading out from my notepad. Okay, these points were given to me after their research on Google. That only write mails, no phone calls, etc. Like I always say, don't make phone calls, just write mails, okay, or contact on WhatsApp to gain trust, because you talk direct and you have a certain kind of a protocol. So please tell Didi, all your audience, not to get confused, and this language is becoming very common, and they're just fooling other people and copying your style. So well, I have done my bit by letting you know that people are, especially the female healers, they have assigned this job to the female healers, just to gain trust of other audience. And in fact, 1 or 2 cases came to me as well, who got trapped, and they did say that yes, this is exactly what they're using, your kind of verbiage, Didi, and we wanted to inform you, plus my team got to know about it. So anyways, I don't want to name people, I don't want to even address people, but yes, they are using Mahakali's name, they are using the same format of Goddess Kali, they are claiming that they have special powers, etc., etc. So I don't know what else to say. I leave it up to you people to decide what you need to do, but my job was to just my team's job and my job was to just make you aware that this is happening. So keep your eyes and your ears open, and I leave it up to you to decide what you need to do. You're intelligent enough. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much, and I hope you stay alert and you stay safe, and God bless. Jai Ma Kali.